My name is Dr. Marie-Pierre Lissoir. I'm a researcher at the Traditional Art and Ethnology Center in Luang Prabang. Tonight we are in Ban Nanam. It's a village from the Oma ethnic group. It's a very close ethnic group from the Aka. They are often called Aka, Oma. And we are here in Phongsaly Province. So as you can see around me, there are many people because we are organizing the last phase of a music project at TAEC. So you know that we have a new exhibition at TAEC called Voices of the Wind about traditional instruments of Laos. And we also wanted to bring back the music to the village. So we organized an itinerant exhibition with some panels you can see over there. We also have videos back there on. And then we also have music instruments. Local instrument and also instrument of other ethnic groups. So for example, one of the musicians brought this. This is actually a music instrument because if you pick a leaf and you can blow it, so that's a very nice instrument that they use in this ethnic group. So a musician came earlier and tried to teach the children. It's a little bit difficult, but they were very happy to learn. If you want to learn more about music instrument in Laos and ethno-minority group, please visit us at TAEC Luang Prabang.